Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this wonderful Audi Q3 S-Line edition, here available with the 2-litre TFSI engine with the all-wheel drive quattro system for extra reassurance. Finished in a lovely grey colour, it looks absolutely wonderful from every angle, featuring lots of sports accents and plenty of standard equipment. Key equipment highlights will include full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and the full reassurance of the quattro all-wheel drive system, ideal for all seasons. 5-spoke silver alloy wheels will also be available to contrast the colour, and for extra convenience a power-operated tailgate will reveal an absolutely cavernous load area, additionally offering a 60-40 split seat, and just in case there's also shopping hooks and tether hooks and even a space-saver spare wheel. Closing boot is very easy and simply requires a single press of a button. Passengers in the rear will also be very happy as the cabin is finished in park cloth and leather and offers plenty of seating up to 3 with even 2 ISOFIX child anchor points and rear air vents and 12-watt socket. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts are available, along with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel from the driver, and front sport seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and they even feature an electric lumbar support for the driver to get really comfortable. Once behind the wheel, the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel can easily operate the trip computers from the left. There's cruise control and speed limiter for long motorway trips, and the colour TFT screen up ahead will give you all the key information, also able to operate your music, Bluetooth contacts and even satellite navigation guidance. To help you park, the car even comes with a semi-autonomous park assist system, capable of a parallel or perpendicular bay parking as well if you're feeling a little bit pressured. Moving over to the center console, the floating MMI navigation system is easily operated via rotary dial. Comes with Audi Drive Select modes to choose from various drive modes, and pairing your phone is also incredibly easy. Make sure you never get stuck in traffic, there's also live traffic information, and the built-in sat-nav offers 2D and 3D mapping views as well. For all your media inputs, there are various functions available, such as those displayed on the screen, and also the car benefits from AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. For the music lovers amongst you, there's also a sound system that can be fully optimized to individual tastes and needs. And to help you park, front and rear audible and visual sensors will also be available. Easy to use 2-zone climate control system will keep you cool for the summer and also offer heated front seats for the winter months. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.